Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we want to teach you basically how you can achieve a design like this. This is a real estate design, and let's do something. This is a modern real estate and we want to replicate a design like this. So first let's select the rectangle here, then draw a rectangle, press P to centralize like this. So we have our own details that we want to use on this design. Basically these are the list of details that we want to use on this design. So now let's head over to our assets. These are the assets we have. So let's copy the assets. We'll copy the asset, we'll bring it in. Let's paste. These are the assets, and then from here we'll copy. This is the image we want to use, and then this is the background we want to use here. Copy the background inside and paste. Then press shift page down to take it behind the building. Shift page down, then scale it like this. Scale it very well. Scale it. Let's adjust the building a bit. Let's scale it. And then finish. Then we don't want this to show. So we'll take the building up so that it will cover it like that. So let's remove this outline, remove the outline here. And then this is our location symbol that we'll be using. So readjust it. I think we'll make use of it later on in the project. So now let's head over to our details. Under our details here we have this is a real estate, Dave real estate, and then here you paste in the Dave real estate. Let's use Montserrat for this. I'm using Montserrat. Press enter. This is under Dave real estate. And then first of all, we want to set rulers like this. Let's set rulers. We want a clear set rulers so that we'll have a very good alignment in this project. These are rulers. And then here, the next thing we have under the details is exclusive offers art. So the theme, this is the theme of this flyer. Copy it, then paste here, where comfort and relaxation at comfort and relaxation investments. I think let's press enter. Let's rearrange this text. I'm using Bebas for example. And Ctrl K, let's break. Let's see. We'll scale it up like this. Let's scale it. So now let's use green here and see a little bit. Let's come. This is our list of where exclusive. We'll paste here, bring it down, we'll copy and paste, and then double click here and paste. Let's change this font to something else. We can use Montserrat but a bit, and this art, let's make it a stylish art here, and then let's change this to red. Let's change to red, and then from here we'll want to, in a way, the next thing here we want to work on is the price tag. Then get a bedroom apartment duplex for 10 million naira. That is our next focus point. So we are trying to sell out this place. So get a bedroom duplex apartment for 10 million naira. So we'll copy and paste. Also, let's change it to Bebas. Let's give this rectangle a color, so a deep color, so that we can be able to visualize. Let's use yellow there. Left. Let's readjust this thing. And then now let's make our main focus point very attractive, where this is our main focus point. So now we'll adjust these corners. We want to adjust these corners very well. Want to adjust them so that we can see. Let's change this complete and to a smaller and like this. Just this one to this and here. Flexible. Comfort and relaxation investment. Let's change. I think that's the right word. Change it to shift page up. Press shift page up to carry the text up. So where we can't see it, so we change to white. We use different shades of green, so we decided to work with that. So right now we'll cut this aspect here. Cut it. Double click inside the power click. We'll now paste inside. So now we'll bring this image upwards. This building image upwards. We'll select it, remove the outline, and then this is where let's use contour. From here, use contour like this, and then we'll break the contour. From breaking this contour, we can give it another color. And let's say peculiar to the green that we want to use. Then from here we can still give it an outline. The main rectangle can still give it an outline. So from here, that's it. So can double click here. Let's say you want to use yellow, for example, or this matching colors. You can still make use of it. So now you can see this is Dave Real Estate Service. Shift it up. So now we want to drag attention. Now this exclusive, we want to make it red here. We want that part to be the welcoming part. Like, it should drag our viewers. So let's double click. We'll get this art. Let's cut the art. We'll bring it out. Let's paste it outside the power click and select this. Give it a red color. And then from here we can double click, then change, rotate it. Let's make it bold since we are moving it out like that. Let's dive in. Let's dive into this point. Let's readjust it like this. We can leave it at this edge, or bring it downwards. Yes, this is it. And then let's remove the outline. We are trying to create emphasis, that is why. And so we'll use this pen to want to drag this thing behind it. So from here, let's select here, click here, come back to this point. We have joined it. So let's give it a deeper red. We want a deeper red here. Select it. Then remove it, give it. So now let's cut this. Then double click, go inside the power, click, paste, and then hold Control and then paste down so that it will go behind that which you want to use. You see how it has gone beyond those shape. I think this is not coming out clear, so let's leave it white for better visibility. Like this, I'm more convinced with that. So now what is remaining down here is basically get. So from here, so now from this last aspect here, we can just select it, and then the main focus point here is on the money. That is the money aspect. So we'll reduce this. So the 10 million naira is our focus point. 10 million naira only. So we'll make everything possible for the naira aspect to be visible. So let's say we are changing this to red, and then we are making 10 million naira. This is white. Let's adjust this. Let's adjust. Then let's give it a shadow. Shadow downwards like this. You see the shadow coming down here. We are giving it a shadow downwards. So from this shadow, then we'll give it an outline. You press F12, give it an outline. Give it. Then you right click on any color. Then it will change like that. Then the remaining aspect now is the aspect of the location, time, and venue. Sorry, the informations. These are the information respectively. So let's copy this aspect. You will drag it and then right click, but we'll change it to green, then shift page up like this. Then let's remove the outline, and then let's we want to use the transparency tool to fade it in like that at the end here. Let's fade it in, and then we'll readjust this aspect. So basically the information for contact us, we'll copy here, then we'll paste here, V, and then just scale it, readjust it like this. Let's change it to Montserrat. I don't want this video to be long. That is why I'm trying to meet up like this. This is it. So this is a list of information. So So our focus point on the phone number, will make the phone number big and the email big. Let's bold the phone number because anybody can strive to reach out to them at the phone number. So the phone number symbol, let's remove this. We don't need it because it's only for venue aspect. So from here, we want to use the phone number symbol. We press Ctrl F11. Then you see you can drag this at this point. F11. And then adjust, give it a yellow color. And then this is the symbol I use for email. Maybe it might be the first time, so you have to find it downwards. Like this. And then our flyer is ready. This is completely ready. Thank you. And then if you love this tutorial, please subscribe for more. And if you have any comment or any challenges, please endeavor to reach out to us. Thank you, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.